This is Craft Room Crash, and I'm outside DIYer Eric Morris's house. Now, he's a woodworker who says he could spend a lifetime doing it and still have a lot to learn. So let's go crash his craft room and find out what Eric is working on today.
Hi, Jane.
Hey, Eric.
Nice to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you. Where's the craft room?
It's around back. Let's go make some sawdust.
Let's do it. Yeah. Oh my God. This is all your shop?
Yeah, I'm a woodworker. I make furniture mostly, working towards fine furniture. Do some restoration on some older equipment, vintage equipment.
Wait. What is this?
That's a joiner. We're going to use that today. And woodworking is this enormous breadth of disciplines.
Let's go look at the Oliver bandsaw.
Yeah.
What's an Oliver bandsaw?
It's just a place where I find some of my personal relevance.
Well, Eric, the craft room, or the wood shop in this case, is overwhelming. So what are we making today?
We're going to make an end grain cutting board. There's your end grain, the end of the board.
Oh, so this right here.
That's the end grain. That's going to end up pointing this way. That board we're starting with is raw wood, but before we can do anything with it, we have to dimension it.
So is there math involved?
Yeah, there's a little bit, just a touch.
I never paid attention.
It means we have to make all the sides perfectly flat and perfectly square with each other.
I can't hear a thing you're saying, but let's get started.
All right.
Should we clock in?
We better clock in. Let's do it. Okay, this is a joiner. It's going to flatten one face, make it dead flat and smooth, and exactly 90 degrees square to this face.
That's nice.
Then we can begin slicing it into strips of the specific length and width that we want. So we slice those guys all up, and then we glue them right back together.
So each one of these are these individual boards?
Yeah, those are those individual boards. Then we take that piece and we cross-cut it, glue them all back together, and we have a cutting board. We're going to finish it with mineral oil.
Yep, just dip it in here?
Yeah, kind of get just the end a little bit wet down there.
Okay, then does this dry?
It does. Now we're going to wipe it off.
That's it? It doesn't need to sit on any longer?
That's enough.
Thank you so much for having us in your craft room.
Well, thank you for coming. I really enjoyed having you.
Thanks so much to Eric. Now we all know how to make an end grain butcher block. And that's what Eric is doing in his craft room. What are you doing in your craft room? I'll see you next time.